Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna about DIY almond skin whitening cream. To make this cream you need 4 to 5 almonds. I had taken 12 pieces of almonds. Soak the almonds for 5 to 6 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, the almonds are ready to peel off. Now peel off all the almonds first. Now the almonds are ready to grind now. Grind it in the mixer grinder and make a smooth paste. Now the smooth paste of almond is ready. This is not thick and not so runny. Now strain it out with the help of strainer. You can see the almond milk is ready. Now I am going to add glycerin, few drops of. And at last, aloe vera gel from Patanjali. Now mix it well and make a smooth and lump-free paste. As you can see that my cream is ready. This is so creamy. Now I am going to store it in the airtight container. Now how to apply it? I am taking the cream and applying it all over my hand. As you can see that this is so shiny in the texture. You can store this cream for 1 week. For best result, you can apply it at the night time so that your cream will absorb all over your face. So hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also press the bell icon for the new update. Bye bye.